Rocket engines work by utilizing the principle of Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In the case of a rocket engine, this means that as hot gases are expelled out of the back of the engine at high speeds, the rocket is propelled forward in the opposite direction. There are several different types of rocket engines, but they all operate on the same basic principles. The most common type of rocket engine is the liquid-fueled engine, which uses a combination of liquid fuel and liquid oxidizer. These two components are mixed together in a combustion chamber where they are ignited to produce a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. This gas is then expelled out of the back of the engine through a nozzle, which is designed to accelerate the gas to even higher speeds. As the gas is expelled, it pushes against the walls of the combustion chamber and nozzle, creating thrust that propels the rocket forward. Solid rocket engines work in a similar way, but instead of using liquid fuel and oxidizer, they use a solid propellant that is burned to produce the hot gases. The propellant is contained in a combustion chamber where it is ignited to produce thrust. In both types of rocket engines, the amount of thrust produced is directly related to the amount of propellant burned and the speed at which the gases are expelled. This is why rocket engines are able to produce such high levels of thrust, allowing rockets to travel at speeds of thousands of miles per hour. Rocket engines are also able to operate in the vacuum of space, where there is no air to push against. This is because the gases expelled by the engine create their own momentum, which propels the rocket forward even in the absence of an external medium. Overall, rocket engines are incredibly complex machines that harness the power of combustion and high-speed gas flow to propel rockets into space. They are essential for space exploration and have allowed humans to travel to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Without rocket engines, the dream of exploring the cosmos would remain just that, a dream.